Hi, I'm Ciara and this is What the Focal, where I answer your questions about the Irish language. And this video I'm going to talk about the Oireachtas, which is an annually held festival of Irish culture. And I'm going to explain what it is, when it's on, all different parts about it. So the first thing I want to say about Oireachtas is based on my first experience of it. And that was as a college student who didn't come from an Irish speaking background. I was told about this weekend away down the country somewhere where loads of Irish speakers would be gathering together. I knew there was something to do with singing and dancing and competitions and stuff, but for me at the time it was really just about going on this weekend with all the other Irish speakers from the Gaeilge in my college. So basically what we would do is get the bus to wherever the Oireachtas was being held, stay in a hostel together, and then we would attend events specially directed at students, at college students. So there'd usually be a fancy dress, some debates, concerts and things like that. But then as you went year after year, or as I went anyway, year after year in college, I started to see what was going on outside of the bubble for university students. And I wish that someone had explained it to me. So that's why I'm making this video, to explain it to you guys. The who, what, where, when, why of Oireachtas. I will go through it all now. What? Oireachtas means an assembly or a gathering, and then the full name, Oireachtas na Samhna, means the gathering of Samhain, which is a month, November, and when, that gives you a hint as to when it's on. It's held on the last weekend of October leading into November. And that's why there's fancy dress competitions, because it's around Halloween time. Where? Well, the location changes, it moves around. Basically, it's actually a huge festival, so it's hard to find a place that has enough amenities to have all the events on without the festival being too divided up. So it's been on in Killarney a lot. It's been in Donegal and I've been to it in Dublin as well, but they kind of keep returning to Killarney because there's such good facilities there. And a lot of people wanted to be in Galway, so I think there's talks about that, but I don't really know what's happening there. Who? Well, it's a huge gathering for Irish speakers. So families will go, older people, college students. Say, for example, you're in university and you're studying Irish. You might go to Oireachtas with your college group, but you might see people that you know from, I don't know, being at the Gaeilge with them like years ago, and they also followed their interest in Irish. Then you might also see your lecturers from college who'll be there, of course, writers who you're studying, who you've read in your spare time, people who work in Radio na Gaeltachta, in TG Cahard, and musicians and singers. So it's really exciting to be there. You just see this amazing gathering of all different people from all walks of life who are interested in Irish language and culture. What happens? Well, loads happens. Pints? Yes, lots of pints, because we are Irish people at the end of the day, and we do, when we gather together, have a few drinks. So it's definitely seen as a social gathering in that way, which is great because you meet so many new people, you meet old friends, and you see all these people that might kind of be in the fringes of your life, because you might know them from Twitter or various different ways. Through the Irish community, you'll meet them at the Oireachtas, which is lovely, and everyone kind of gathers together. Competitions, what's the deal? Well, so there's competitions for sean-nós singing and sean-nós dancing, which I'm sure you've all heard of what sean-nós singing and sean-nós dancing is. There's men's competitions for the singing and women's, and there's a big prestigious one called Cruthaíodh, named after the composer sean-nós, and that's like a big deal every year. Who won that? Even me, who doesn't know anything about sean-nós singing, knows that that's a big deal. And there's different forms of other things that people can do. So there's Agla Berta, Lubini, Sketchy, Auron Seher. They're all these different things. Like, people kind of put these sketches together, and sometimes there's singing and there's kind of rhyme and stuff used with them. And they're really entertaining. They're really amazing. I'll put some links to just different recordings of them below, and you can have a look at them yourselves. And there's loads of other events as well, like academic talks, podcast recordings, book launches, poetry courts, concerts, like so many different things happening. So Oireachtas, the Oireachtas, usually has an app, and you can go through the app and you star what you want to attend, and then it makes up a timetable for you. So people will be running around the place trying to catch this, that and the other, because there's just so much going on. There's also the Gradaim Chumarsáide. They're like media awards for Irish, and they're run by the Oireachtas. They used to be on at a different time of year. They used to be on at the start of the summer, but now they've been kind of merged with the Oireachtas as well. So it happens at the same time, end of October, start of November. And I've actually been nominated for an award this year, which is amazing. It's a category called tOireachtas na Bliana, which means like the young star of the year. And it's just really nice to be included. It's really cool. So you can vote for me as well if you want. It's a text vote, so I'll put the details down below. I think it costs €1 per text, so don't go too mad. Okay, back to the Oireachtas. There's a pronunciation of the 3 different dialects of a person saying iontach on Teanglann.ie. So I'll link that below and you can pick your favourite one and use that. And then it's a masculine word. So Oireachtas is the word, tOireachtas is the Oireachtas. And then if you want to say in Tishuginadach, Oireachtas will sound like Oireachtais. So say the festival of the Oireachtas will be Féile an Oireachtais. Oireachtas an tOireachtas, Féile an Oireachtais. You'll need it when you're talking about the Oireachtas. Ciara Ní É, the Monday after the Oireachtas, it's like Gurmacha Ir Oireachtais, like the post-Oireachtas blues, because we're all looking forward to it so much, and then suddenly it's over. You know, you have the great weekend and you're seeing everyone, you're having all your pints, and then boom, it's Monday and you're getting the train home from Killarney and you're just depressed because suddenly it's November. So yeah, that's the post-Oireachtas blues. And a lot of people then, even like directly after 1 year's Oireachtas is finished, they're like straight in booking their accommodation for the hotel for the next year. It's that big of an event in the calendar. What else? What have I not said? Oh, people hear Oireachtas and they think of the government. So Oireachtas is also used as shorthand for Tithe an Oireachtais, which would be like the houses of the Oireachtas, which is the Dáil and the sean-nós. But that's not what it is. It just happens to be the same word because it means like a gathering or an assembly. If you've been to the Oireachtas, which I recommend you do, you will see that it's nothing like the Dáil or the sean-nós. You can follow iontach on social media. I'll put all the links down below. You can watch it on TG Cahir. You can listen to it on Radio na Gaeilge. You can find it all online on the hashtag #ONAS18. People will be sharing as they're excited for the Oireachtas and they'll be talking about it afterwards, so you can be part of the conversation too. I sent out a tweet asking people if there's anything I should say while I'm making this video, and they said just tell people to go. So yes, I encourage you to go, especially if you haven't gone before and you're not that sure. I actually didn't go my first year in university because I don't know, I think I was just nervous and I wasn't sure if my Irish was good enough, and I wasn't ready to go away for a weekend with loads of Irish speakers. Well, when I eventually went the next year, it was like the best weekend of my life, and it's the best weekend of the year every single year. So yeah, Fecky me ann shiv má tá sibh ann, aber hello. This has been What the Focal for this week, where I answer your questions about the Irish language, and if you have any questions, please feel free to send them in and I will do my best to answer them for you, or all of Twitter will answer them. Put in the hashtag #ONAS8.